Hey crafties, this is Kimberly from Sky Creations. I wanted to show you how I maximize the paper usage for my paper flowers. So as you see here, when I design the paper flowers on my software, I make sure to fill up the entire sheet. So in this case, it was a 12 by 12 sheet. So I wanted to make sure all of the petals fit in there nicely and I maximize the usage. So I send that off to cut. And as you see here, the entire cardstock was used. So very, very minimal waste, and it's the best use of the paper here. So I'm going to remove all of this from here. And this is actually just very helpful to have some paper flowers already pre-cut and ready for me for future projects. This has helped me for last minute orders, or if I forget that someone's birthday is a lot sooner than I had originally planned. So this is helpful to have on hand. So as you see here, I'm pulling off all of the paper flower templates and organizing them by size. So this was going to be very helpful once you start organizing them in our container, and it just makes the process a lot smoother, and you're actually able to just grab and go and make some paper flowers when you are in need. So here I have my plastic container. It's nothing fancy, but it does have some compartments, and I tend to organize it either by color or also by size. So this is one of the larger sunflower templates. It goes in the back area. I do have my rolled paper roses here. I have those all together in case I need a little filler flower. And then the others, I have pink flowers, I have white paper flowers cut out, and blue, and all a variety of colors. And this is just helpful to have all in here, not only for myself, but also for my kiddos. So since now they are going to be out for summer break, this is available to them to create their little crafts and to create cards for their family members or friends. It's just something nice to have on hand if we needed it here. So make sure that you like and subscribe to the 12 by 12 cardstock shop for more great paper craft tutorials. Hope this tip has helped you today.